Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Dusichin flowing fluid. That's how they show, but it's a pressure washer gun basically, or it says right here, high pressure washer gun. So it does tell you, but at the bottom, you should just put this here on the top. But yeah, I bought this with my own money, so nobody sent me this. It seems like a great gun, a great buy. I got this for $13.99 plus tax. So this is definitely, if it works, definitely a great deal. If you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So we don't have any likes, it doesn't help us at all, or any subscribers. So please help us out by subscribing and hitting the like. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So let's get to the unboxing here pretty much. Or you know what, let me just show you the back here real quick. You got some tips here. This one does not include tips, I believe, and there's an option for you to buy one with tips. I have already the tips, so don't have any use for that. You got 1/4 quick release spray nozzle. You got 3000 psi high pressure water gun body with the brass fitting, and 22 metric male thread, 14 millimeter diameter inside. Let's unbox this real quick. So all it comes in the box, just the gun itself in a plastic bag here. So it seems pretty heavy. Well, not heavy, but the plastic seems a little cheap. This seems to be okay, I guess. So yeah, it seems to be, I mean, it's not the best quality ever. You got some play here, that's the only downside. You see, got some play there, but feels pretty solid, I guess. When you squeeze the trigger here, you do have that brass that they were talking about, so you can thread your hose there from your power washer. And you got a quick release here on the for you to foam cannons or tips or whatever you want to put in here. It says max 200. Says max 200 bar, 3000 psi, max 60 Celsius, 140 Fahrenheit. It says warning: do not point at a human body. Severe injury may result. So all it is, got a trigger lock here. It says here a trigger lock. Oh yeah, this one. So I guess if you want to lock it, you know, so you can prevent it from happening. But other than that, seems to be pretty good. Let's go ahead and try this outside, see how it works. All right, we got the gun here. We're going to be using this with the Joby 1600 psi pressure washer. So that is the old nozzle here, the old longer wand basically, and we're just unscrewing it from the older one. So once we unscrew it, and I need to get some quick connect for these, by the way. So we take the old one away, and then we screw in the new one, which is the smaller gun that we have. Really lightweight, really compact gun there. You can basically wash your truck in a tight space. That's why I got it, because the other one takes a bigger space to wash. And then I'm prying out, basically taking the air out of the, I'm putting the tip there. I'm taking the air out of the line. You don't have to, you have to take out the air from the pressure washers before you turn them on, because if they do have air, they might basically burn up. But yeah, as you guys could see, I'm just rinsing the truck real quick, trying to take all the bugs away or off. So seems to be working pretty good. No leaks so far. And like I said, these are perfect for working in a small space, like in a garage or in a carport like this. You see, I don't have a lot of space. With the other one, it was just impossible to do. So now we're putting a foam cannon on this. This is just a cheap foam cannon from Amazon. As you guys see, it's working fine. I really like the quick connect on this thing. It's really nice, really convenient here, and it works fine. It works perfectly fine, and you guys see how it's working with this. Yeah, like I said, you see that tight space there? That's perfect for that. Because if not, then I have to bring the truck out to the sun, and then all these stains in the paint because of the water. But yeah, this is pretty much how it works. It works really good with any type of tip or any type of foam cannon. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one.